Hello everyone. As you can see, we have a Mac or an Apple logo in front of us. What we're going to do today is unbox a brand new M1 Mac Mini. It's something I don't do very often, is unboxing a new computer. So I figured I'd share this with you guys, see what's actually in here. It's typical Mac or Apple. It looks like a great box. As you can see, it's a pretty low end model. Basically, I just want to test out the new M1 processor and see how that works. Just the 8 gig of memory and the 256 solid state. I'll probably go ahead and add in an external drive as well. So that's it. It is somewhat heavy, but we'll take a look. This is actually my first Mini I've ever purchased, so I'm really excited to take a closer look at this and see what's inside, what you get. My only other actual Mac computers have been laptops, and only one of them is actually mine. So let's see what we got here as we slide this off very gently. So we've got the Mac itself. Look at this. Looks like power, and that's it. So typical Apple. It's a very nice looking cable. Inside here, of course, we've got our sticker. We've got instructions. There's that many. So on the front, we'll have our indicator light. We have our power, our Ethernet. It looks like we've got Thunderbolt 4. We've got HDMI and standard USB-A connections, and then the headphone jack. So let's just verify that. And as you can see, there is no keyboard, there is no mouse, so you're gonna have to bring your own or supply your own. I will say it's nice. It's very pretty. Let's go ahead and take this part off right here. And you know, it's what you would expect from an Apple product. So there's that. One thing I'm looking at possibly getting as well, and if you guys have done this, let me know in the comments down below, is, you know, they have the port replicators that you can put right underneath this, so you can have some additional front ports, as well as some of them that actually have the external drive that you can put in there as well. That's something that is definitely very interest to me, I should say. So like I said, just like in the little pamphlet there, we've got the buttons on the side here. So that's that. And as I use this more, I will definitely leave some comments and probably do some additional videos. Like I said, I'm just really curious to see how the M1 processor works. I had some Costco gift card money, so I thought I'd go ahead and use that and try this out. So yeah, that's really it. That's all you get. I did actually pick up a refurbished keyboard on Woot, so that way I'd be able to have it on this, and then I'm going to use just a regular Logitech mouse with it as well. So that's all we've got here. This is all you get. I'm looking forward to trying it out. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. And with that, have a great day.